Children, in this module, we'll recite a poem, Trees, by Harry Benn. Trees, as we all know, are very important for the survival of the world. Trees not only add color to the landscape, but make survival possible for us and many other creatures. Children, what comes to your mind when you think of trees? Shade, oxygen, fruits, leaves, nests, all these words. When we think of trees, all these words come to our mind. So, let's enjoy a poem, Trees. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. In this first stanza, the poet talks about the kindness of the trees towards the animal world. Trees are the kindest things I know. Who is I in this line? The poet. He's talking about trees. Trees, this just grow and they do not harm anyone. They just grow means the poet wants to say they grow without much help from us and they do not harm anyone. They provide shade to the sleepy cows and spread their boughs for the birds, or we can say they provide a place for the birds to gather and to build their nests as well. The branches of the tree offer a safe and secure place for the birds to build their nests. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. They are the first when days begun, means the trees being tall are the first one to catch the morning beams. Beams here means the rays of the sun as it rises over the horizon. The expression to touch the beam of the morning sun makes the trees tall and majestic, reaching out to the sun with many arms, with means so many branches spread out. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. And they are also the last to hold the light before night sets in. And finally the trees sing a lullaby when the moon is up to put people to sleep. Or we can say after the day's work, when people are tired and sleepy, the trees, like an old grandmother, sing them a lullaby of children long ago. Means in this line the poet wants to show us that this is a phrase the poet has used to make it clear or to tell us that trees have been with us through the ages. They are very kind. They do not expect anything from us. And they provide us so many things which are essential for the survival of the mankind.